Welcome to AlarvyCAD Duct Tutorial Video 11 for Triangular Loft. Click on Loft menu, and choose Triangular Loft option. The default parameter values are fixed in the parameter UI of the triangular loft, which can be modified by the user. Press Create button for creating the duct in the graphical user interface. In GUI, the top view of the triangular loft is displayed along with 3D dimensions. The user may rotate the model to the desired orientation using mouse left click and drag. The user may enter the values for the parameters of triangular loft in the parameter UI for obtaining different variants of the duct. The user may change the parameters of the triangular loft in the GUI also. Based on the ripping edge position, unfold is created. Ripping edge position can be placed in any face by selecting suitable option in the UI, and unfold is created accordingly. The output step files of the 3D model of the duct are generated using Save Step option. For obtaining the DXF file of the unfold profile, Save DXF option is available. Step file can be opened in most of the CAD modelers, and can even be viewed with free viewers. DXF file can be used in most of the nesting and CAM software, and can also be viewed with free viewers. The user can obtain the GLTF file format by using the Save As option. User can choose whether to save both 3D and unfold together or separately. GLTF files can be directly opened with free Windows 3D Viewer. GLTF files can be opened in free online 3D viewers too. GLTF files can even be opened in free mobile 3D viewers, making it easy to share with clients. Thank you for watching AlarvyCAD Duct tutorial for Triangular Loft.